Good morning, student. This is your physics class. Today we will start from the page number 80, the next method, that is the stroke method. A very simple way to magnetize a piece of iron, that is a magnetic material, is by rubbing a magnet over the iron bar from one end to another repeatedly as given in activity. By this method, an iron nail, a needle, or a blade can be converted into a magnet. This method of making a magnet is called the stroke method. And also student, this is a temporary method. Let's see the activity. To make a magnet using the stroke method, take an iron bar to be magnetized and place on a tabletop. Now touch one end of a bar magnet, say North Pole, to the iron bar and rub it along the length of the iron bar from one end to other continuously. Repeat it 40 times in the same direction with the same pole of the magnet. Now test the iron bar by bringing end A of the iron bar near the north pole of a freely hanging magnet. What do you observe? You will observe that the two ends repel each other. So this shows that the iron bar has become a magnet because only in magnets like poles repels each other. So what is the instruction while doing this activity? The first one, the magnetic pole produced in the iron bar where you lift the bar magnet is always opposite to the pole of the bar magnet touching it. Same pole of the bar magnet should be used for each stroke. Magnetic material should be stroked in the same direction. So these are the instruction while doing this stroke method. The next one, electrical method. Another way to magnetize a soft iron bar is by passing electric current through a coil wrapped around the soft iron bar. Such a magnet is known as electromagnet. An electromagnet can be made into suitable shapes and size depending on the purpose, that is bar magnet or horseshoe magnet. Let's see activity 7, to make a magnet using the electrical method. Take a soft iron bar to be magnetized and place it inside a coil of copper wire with several turns. Now connect the copper wire to the battery and pass current through the coil. You will observe that the iron bar gets strongly magnetized. This can be tested by bringing a pin or iron filings near the magnetized iron bar. They will get attracted towards the iron bar. One end of the iron bar becomes a north pole and the other end south pole. If you reverse the direction of the electric current, the poles of the magnet also get reversed. This can be tested by bringing another magnet close to its pole. If you turn off the current in the coil, the iron bar loses nearly all its magnetism. Hence, magnetism in an electromagnet can be switched on or off according to the requirements. So already we have discussed these three methods: induction method, stroke method and electrical method are the temporary method. Now we will discuss about the differentiate between the permanent and the temporary magnet. On the basis of how long magnets can retain their magnetism, magnets are of two types. One is the permanent magnets and the temporary magnet. Permanent magnets retain their magnetism for a long time, while in temporary magnets lose their magnetism as soon as the cause producing them is removed. The second point, materials like alloy of iron with aluminium, nickel and cobalt, that is alnico, are used for making permanent magnets. Second, from the temporary magnets, iron materials get magnetized and demagnetized very easily. Hence, iron is used for making temporary magnet. Example of permanent magnet, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet and others made of alnico, that is the aluminium, nickel and cobalt. So temporary magnet, electromagnets. Uses of permanent magnet used in compasses, magnetic door catches, motors, generators, loudspeakers, etc. Uses of temporary magnet used in cranes to lift magnetic waste, in circuit breakers, electric bells, audio and video tape transformers, etc. Students learn this difference between permanent magnet and temporary magnet and read the chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.